Before I would just smile with my mouth closed, and now I'm like,
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Azzy from LA Dental. I'm going to talk to you guys about a very simple Invisalign case that we did on Kimberly. She came in, she was a previous orthodontic patient. She'd had braces when she was younger as a teenager, and she'd had some of her teeth move, which is a really common thing that happens. We get a lot of our patients who do Invisalign are adults who had braces when they were younger, and often what they'll see is movement in their teeth. Many people get movement in their lower front teeth. Kimberly had had a fixed wire retainer placed on her lower teeth between her lower two canine teeth. So actually her lower front teeth had moved, but everything else had moved around it because she had worn retainers. Her biggest problem was that her upper front teeth, her big two front teeth had moved forward, and the next two, the lateral incisors, had moved in. So she wanted a quick fix. She was here for the summer and then going back to school and wanted to get something done. So she finally came back to see us over Christmas. We did a scan with our digital scanner, our iTero, which is basically a camera. So nowadays we use that instead of taking impressions, and that takes about 10 minutes. We took some photos of her, and then we planned the case for her. She came back about 2 to 3 weeks later, and we delivered the case. And in her case, she had a total of 5 trays only, and she wore each of them for about a week. And from start to finish, we were done her treatment in about 2 months by the time we took the scan, sent it off, got it back, and finished her treatment. And then at the end of her treatment, her teeth were straight, and we made her some retainers that she's going to be wearing at night. So in her case, it was a very successful case. Her teeth straightened out. Her smile is not crooked to one side anymore. Her teeth come together well, and we got the treatment done very fast for her. Actually, while she was away at school, she was able to just switch out her trays, and then she came back during her spring break, and we made her the retainers. So 2 to 2.5 months of treatment in total, and Kimberly was happy, and so were we. This is Kimberly's clean check on her Invisalign. This is how she started, with her teeth being a little bit crooked going this way. If you look at her upper teeth, you can see that these teeth are sticking out and these are in. So we wanted a quick fix. So this was our treatment plan. We just turn the teeth around like that. And if you look at it from the top of the top teeth, we straighten them out. And this treatment took 2.5 months with Invisalign trays.
So how do you feel after you got your Invisalign?
I felt a lot confident when I would speak to people, especially during interviews or just in general, just having a conversation. And also when taking photos, because before I would just smile with my mouth closed, and now I'm like, so yeah.